Hi, my name is Carissa, and the research question that I studied this semester was what effects do dogs have on first-year female college students adapting to college life? Um, when researching this topic, there were a lot of data on a short-term interaction with dogs. So like the studies that I saw would talk about stress or anxiety or measure their mood or overall well-being after a 15 to 20 minute interaction with a dog, but there wasn't anything really long-term, and there wasn't really anything specific to a person's year in college or whether they were male or female. And so I thought it would be fun to delve deeper into a longer term throughout the year process with first year females. My null hypothesis is that dogs do not have an effect on adapting to college your first year. My hypothesis is that dogs do have an effect on the adaptation process to college life for first year female college students. I'm using a convenient sample for this test because not every female is going to have a dog. And basically the way that this will go is I would obtain permission from the college to contact the students via email, asking them to participate. Ideally, we'd want to have something to incentivize the participation. But then I would have a control group of non-dog owning freshman females and then a experimental group of freshman females who do own a dog. And so what the design would be is that the participants would do a survey at the beginning and the end of each semester. So we would have 4 surveys from each participant to be able to analyze and watch the progress. The instrument that will be used in this study is going to be the College Student Experiences Questionnaire by Robert Pace and George Kuh. This is a great survey for what I want to do because it goes through several different aspects of college life and the adaptation process. And so it asks students questions about like how they're interacting with their teachers, how they like their classes, how they're interacting with other peers, and their experience with their college overall in general. And each question has a variation of scales to like very true, somewhat true, neither true nor false, somewhat false to very false. And so the data that this survey yields is nominal. So what I would do is assign a numerical value to each answer on the scale. That way we can do a statistical analysis at the end to analyze the data. So basically, and lastly, the statistical analysis that I found that would be best to use would be the 2 independent samples t-test. That way, the control group and the experimental group will be analyzed separately, but then we can compare them together. So that is my research project in a nutshell. Thank you for watching.